she told me that, I'm just sending you the scratch right now, and this is not the final track. So see if you like the zone of it, and if you do, then whatever, we'll see what we can do about it. I heard it and I loved it, and I was just thinking that if this is the scratch, then I don't even know
Yeah.
what this final version is going to be like. And now, of course, we know what the final version is, which is a banger.
I'm someone who has not been able to believe in like there's this formula और ऐसे type का गाना ही करना है because I just want to be hit. Not really. I want to do stuff that I actually like myself or I would listen to.
Hello everyone, welcome to peoplemoon.com. I'm Rashida Sahani, and today joining me for a very fun chat are Akasa and Rohit Saraf, who recently impressed us all with their recently released song Shola. Hi Akasa, hi Rohit. Firstly, congratulations on Shola doing so well. I see so many people dancing to the tunes of the song, especially in the times where the world is not facing something very pleasant. The song has come as a very fun thing to watch. So you tell me, how does it feel?
Firstly, thank you so much, Rashida, for having us. It's always so nice chatting with you. And thank you for your wishes about Shola. Yes, it's been absolutely fantastic. It's really heartwarming to see Shola getting so much love. I think it doesn't even feel like a project that now we want to go out and actively promote, but it's just it almost feels like it's like a project that's a part of everyone's life, because like you very rightly said that the times are so gloomy and it's so glum and everything's just very unpleasant, and to then see people creating reels and dance covers and different videos, be it a makeup tutorial or like a outfit transition kind of video, and just people being creative. It's just really nice to see. I'm happy that people are enjoying the track. I'm happy that it's giving them a sense of positivity, vibrance, or something in their lives. I'm just really happy about that. And yeah, I'm really excited because it's also my first music video with none other than the pop queen of our country, Akasa. So it's been amazing.
That's so good to hear. And Akasa, how has it been for you?
I think Rohit summed it up really well. There was a lot of weirdness about. Firstly, we were gonna release a song earlier when things were a little better, and it got delayed, and suddenly I think lockdown 2.0 happened, and my last release was also in the middle of a lockdown. So there was a lot of weirdness in the beginning where I was like, maybe it's just not the right time, and I don't know, and this and that. Not because it was a lockdown, but I was just like, look at the times, we'd rather focus on that. I think, in fact, on the other hand, I'm glad that I was told this or I was sat down and like explained. But it is giving people this sort of escape. All these videos I see, like Rohit said, it's heartwarming, and it's. I like to imagine that in this day of like consuming so much negative news and just bad news everywhere, all these people must be taking some time off and getting dressed to shoot this, having some fun, because it is a fun sort of a song. So it feels really really good, and it's still getting that much of love, and every single day that I get tagged in all these videos, I'm like grateful, and I get really excited. In this middle of gloom, there's like this. This is cool.
I know, correct. And I read somewhere that you two have been looking to collaborate together for quite some time now, and then of course Shola happened. So did Shola actually seem like a perfect opportunity for you two to come together, and we saw you on screen, of course?
I'll let Akasa answer that.
I didn't think so, if I'm being very honest. I was there is another song in the pipeline that I'm very close to. It's a sad song, and I in my head I was like, that's a song because it'll have it's a very beautiful lyrics, and Rohit obviously with his acting skills will be in my head. Rohit doing a music video, I was that. But very recently, not very recently, as in it's been a few months to that, we'd spoken, and Rohit was like, "Mujhe dance. I want to dance.
Yeah.
Whenever, whatever, I'm going to dance." And I was like, "That's strange, but okay, I'll keep that in mind." So when Chola did, when the talk did happen, I was like, maybe worth a try asking him, because if he, because I had told Rohit, I was like, "Oh, there's this song, sad song." He's like, "Mujhe dance karna hai," and I was just like, "Oh." And yeah, everything worked out. I spoke. We have a common friend. We have a lot of close common friends, and that's how it happened. And it seems like it was the perfect thing, because I am glad through this song, this side of Rohit is out for the world to see, and women have only fallen harder in love. And I see
Yeah.
the comments, and I'm somewhere or the other, I feel proud also. I'm like, "Yes, you're welcome, girls. It's fine. You see Rohit being this like hero." And I think it is the perfect song to collaborate on. First one,
First,
our
yeah.
first together.
Oh, completely agreed. Yeah. Rohit,
Yeah.
how has it been for you?
I mean, for me, this was the perfect opportunity from the word go. I like Akasa said that, we've been, I mean, uh, yes, we have been, meaning to collaborate for a while. And whatever opportunities kind of came, I was just like, it's a lovely track and
Yeah.
it's beautiful, but I want to dance. Like, I have been a dancer before I became an
Yeah.
actor, and somehow I just never had the opportunity where I could perform on stage or on screen. And I was like, if I am doing a music video, then मतलब वो music video में तो मुझे dance करना ही करना है. So now you create one song for me where I will dance. And it just so happened that Akasa was working on Shola at that time. And like she said that, this common friend of ours, he got us in touch and he's like, I think you should do this one. It'll be really fun. And Akasa sent the scratch. I heard it for the first time. And she told me that, I'm just sending you the scratch right now, and this is not the final track. So see if you like the zone of it. And if you do, then whatever, we'll see what we can do about it. I heard it and I loved it. And I was just thinking that if this is the scratch, then I don't even know
Yeah.
what this final version is going to be like. And now, of course, we know what the final version is, which is a banger. I absolutely love it. And yeah, I someone in one of our previous interviews, the journalist said that it's a song that you can't help but tap your feet to. And
Yeah.
you're and I was listening to it and I constantly kept bobbing my head and I kept tapping my feet and I was like, man, I have to be a part of this song. And then of course we had Vijay Ganguly, was a brilliant choreographer, was a brilliant director, and it's just so much fun to work with. So to know that he was helming the entire video, he was going to be, taking care of it, and he was going to be, guiding us and directing us. I was just really, really excited. Also, knowing that Sony is one of the biggest and the better labels we have in our country, to be able to start a relationship with them, which hopefully will go a long way, was
Yeah.
just really, really exciting. And yeah, I had lots of fun. I just thoroughly enjoyed dancing. I think I'm the happiest, uh, when I'm dancing. I just feel really happy when I dance. And I got to do that in front of the camera. So I feel like it's two of two loves of my life kind of coming together.
Yeah.
And that was just brilliant. So I had lots of fun.
Akasa, when you make a name for yourself in any industry, be it the acting industry or the music industry, there are tags that are, tagged along with your names. Like you are known as the pop queen. So when such a big tag is, given, do you ever feel the pressure? Because then fans start expecting that every song that you're a part of be blockbuster. So does it ever become pressurizing for you?
I believe that someday it will. I have not. I think after Nagin, I did feel a bit of that, because there are people who are hit machines, and one after the other somehow they get that formula, or they have this one thing that people like, so they do a
Yeah.
template of that
Continue
vibe of
doing it.
song.
Yeah.
So yeah, there are people who then do that kind of a song, different versions of the same song, and there's hit after hit. But I don't know how to do that. So I know I will feel this someday, where, and also yes, when I think after Nagin, another song of mine, Nayo, came out, that I had
Yeah.
written and composed. And there were a lot of comments that, oh, ye Nagin jaisa nahi hai, acha nahi hai.
Yeah.
So I think there will be the pressure, but I'm not yet. Maybe I haven't reached that level of people where I am there are those set of fans just waiting for me, and I owe it to them right now to do that. Whatever level of, right now they are pretty nice. They are accepting whatever I I give them. And I think I want it to be that way because I'm someone who has not been able to believe in like there's this formula or ऐसे type का गाना ही करना है because I just want to be hit. Not really. I want to do stuff that I actually like myself or I would listen to. There are times where I go to a studio and I'm made to sing a song which I'm like, I'm sorry to say, but like that, it's not my vibe. But wherever I do have the say, I want to do stuff that I either believe in or I think is nice. So I know I'm going to feel that pressure, and I know I'm someone who stresses and overthinks so much. There will be a time where I'll be like, oh my god, what do I do? And I might even do some songs just to, you know, uh, just for those people asking for it. But अब तक ऐसा नहीं है. अब तक I'm very excited to experiment even more. Like until I don't reach that level of like, I'm going to keep experimenting.
Okay. And we would love to see all your experiments. So don't worry about that.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. And of course, Rohit, talking about your films and your career, you have been a part of some of the most iconic films like The Sky Is Pink, Dear Zindagi. But it was actually Mismatched that gave you sort of that tag of the find of the year. 2020, you were like, I think everyone was talking about you. Everyone was praising your work with Ludo, with Mismatched. So do you think that it is the web space now that's actually giving talent a platform sort of to, make their name and showcase their talent and everything that they have to offer? Because there is a certain box office pressure that's not there in the web space. Do you feel that way?
100%. I mean, there is nothing for me to kind of disagree on that. It's the fact that there are, earlier there are only so many films that are being made. In the sense, in a year you'd have your 20 films that are being made, and in those 20 films, perhaps there will be limited number of parts that people would get an opportunity to kind of sorry.
No.
People would get the opportunity to kind of bag. But now with the web kind of taking over, and really everyone is saying that web is the new future, I feel like there are just so many projects that are being made. There are just so many opportunities for every actor, who's around, who's young or who's been around for a while. I think everyone has an opportunity, and most definitely it's giving the talent a platform to be able to showcase what they have to offer, and experiment actually, for that matter. So 100%, like, I think web is such a blessing. For me, I mean, Ludo was supposed to happen theatrically, and Mismatch was always supposed to be, a web show. But the fact that both of them came on the OTT platform one after the other, and it gave me what it did, I don't think I can ever complain about web. So yeah.
Of course. Akasa, of course, earlier, if we go back to say 20 years before, when the music existed, but the singers were not given due recognition because there was always an actor representing that singer's voice. But now with music videos, we see you have sung the song and you are in the music video. So now we know, okay, Akasa has sung it and she's in it. That's a fantastic thing, and that's a change. I think it was due for a very long time for all the singers in the music industry. Do you think that finally the change has arrived, wherein singers are also looked up to? They are in their own music videos, they are in it, dancing, singing, whatever they like to do in it?
Definitely 100%. And 6, 7, 8, 9, I think until I was like 12-year-old Akasa is very happy about that, because I come from a background of like music. My dad was a pop Punjabi singer, so he used to be in his videos, because obviously the 90s were a time of like music videos, pop music. I think growing up, for a long time, I believed that the actors were singing. I know a lot of kids did. But for me, especially, I believe because मुझे तो लगता था मेरे dad भी hero लगते हैं. You know, ये लोग भी गाते होंगे. I'm sure every singer looks like that and sings like that.
Yeah.
And I was very disappointed when I came to know there are videos. My dad used to capture everything on videos. There are videos of me, of dad asking me "Gana gaegi," and I used to be like, yeah, this is actually it's quite crazy that it's on camera me saying nahi, मैं गाऊंगी, मैं ही heroine बनूंगी. And at that time I didn't know it's called pop. Growing up, obviously much later when I got the sense, I was like, oh, the reason I'm inclined towards international artists is because I don't know, there's so much more that I relate to, because I want to decide my look. I want to decide what I'm singing. I want to decide my dance moves. And I want to do that. I not saying that Bollywood was obviously a dream. It still is. Bollywood is very important. But pop music is so much more. There's a reason it's called independent music. You get to decide. You're not bound by यही script है, यही heroine है, इतने expression है और इतना sadness है और ये whatever. You can do so much more. And I am glad because back when I did Thug Ranja, a lot of people were like, oh, okay, good model. Wow, very good model in song. Wow, voice is good. Who sang this? So obviously, because at that time, I didn't realize it was such an alien thing for a singer to sort of get fit, dance in the middle, in front of camera.
To
And
be in there. Yeah.
I there was a time where I was in the beginning, I was like, oh, stop it. And then I was like, guys, what the hell? I have sung it.
Yeah.
But I'm glad that it began, and now there are so many. And it's like I call this Astha, and I call it like the pop revolution. Not only singers getting in front of the camera and doing their own independent music, but singers not being bound to it. And Arijit not being, actually, who am I talking about? Arijit sings everything. But a singer known for singing dance music, not being bound to those film songs, and saying, hey, I'm going to do an independent. That's what a lot of artists did in lockdown. I'm going to do like a sad song. Even someone like Shreya Ghoshal and Sunidhi Chauhan are now being in videos, and 10-year-old, 12-year-old, and current Akasa is so excited. This is a pop revolution, and it's here, and it's only going to get bigger.
I am sure about
I don't know if that answered your question.
No, you did. I got it.
Okay.
Okay. And lastly, Rohit, I would just quickly want to ask you that everyone has been asking since a very long time. You are called the national crush on the internet. I see like so many fan pages for you. And everyone has this one question: when are we going to see you again in Mismatched? And when is Mismatched 2 coming? So what is
I
the
thought the
update on
question was something else.
Okay, we'll get what did you think?
No,
No,
go on.
Akasa,
Okay,
there was no other question.
I got
Quiet.
it. I got it.
Sorry, go on, Rohit.
Mismatch 2, honestly, and I don't know if you're going to believe me or the people who are watching this video are going to believe me or not, but we genuinely don't know when it's going to happen. We know it's happening because Netflix has announced it,
Yes,
but we
it's
don't
happening.
know when it's happening. We were supposed to shoot it sometime soon, but now with the lockdown and with what's happening in our country, which is everything's in the air, all the projects are in the air. We don't know when we are going to go into another season, but it will happen for sure. And whenever it does, we will all very excitedly announce it. So nobody will have to wait for speculations and half-baked information. We will give you fully baked, fully excited information saying that, guys, we are on, and that'll be very, very exciting. But till then, just keep watching season 1.
Definitely. And okay, thank you so much, Rohit and Akasa. It was one fun chat, and I would also want to see you two collaborate pretty soon. Maybe that sad song you two do.
Oof.
If Rohit is ready to not dance.
Most definitely. Thank you.
Yeah, we'll be waiting for that. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so
much
much.
for
Thank
having
you
us.
so much. Thank you. Most
Bye.
welcome. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye.
Bye.